Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Phantom Wallet account. First of all, open the Phantom Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to this login page. Here, tap on the Create New Wallet button and you will be asked if you want to use biometrics or Face ID. Simply tap on the next button and a recovery phrase will be created. Now, you will need to back up this phrase or write it down somewhere safe and tap on the OK button. After that, confirm the backup by selecting Yes and then agree to the terms by checking this statement. Now tap on Get Started and your wallet will be created successfully. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.